Students, in this class, we are going to study how to remove duplicate values from the data. Now, this operation is a crucial one, and it helps us to clean the data set in a greater fashion. Because whenever we have duplicate values in the data set, our final inferences and analysis, they get hampered. In other words, the output will not be closer to the expected outcome that we are looking for. In other words, the best way to say that we wouldn't be able to use the results for making forecasting in an accurate fashion. So efficiency is compromised whenever you have duplicate values. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all duplicate values from the data set. So for that, highlight this particular table and go to data, click on it, and then look for the tab remove duplicates. Now I'm going to show two uses for this powerful function. Now the first thing I'm going to do, or I'm going to show to you, is to how exactly to remove duplicates. So for that, make sure that you are able to look this. So this says my data has headers. Does it have headers? Check on that. Yes, it does have headers. So that's fine. And then we are looking for name, age, and blood group. So we're going to click OK. And it says there are 3 duplicate values and all of them are removed. So that is fine. So we get OK. So we have, so let me just widen it up. So we have these values, and anything that is similar is removed. Now if you would have seen the previous table, Kathy was redundant. Kathy was occurring many times. So now what I'm going to do is, this is the output. So in this case there are no repetitions. So we just got unique data items in this case. I want to show you the next use for this particular function. Now, which would be, imagine you want to make a proper, or conduct a test on a subject, and you just want to have one person who has a positive blood group and another person who has O positive blood group, and probably the other person being AB positive and A1B positive. So you just want them to be unique. So you just don't want two individuals to have the same blood group. So in this case, if you were to see Keith as O positive, Hastings as O positive, Travers as O positive. So we don't want that. We just want to have one person as O positive. Similarly, Emma as A positive and Nigel as A positive. So for that, we are now going to perform the same operation but with a twist. So we just want to have people with unique blood groups, right? So for that, make sure this entire table is highlighted and go to data and click remove duplicates. Now I'm looking for duplicates and blood groups, so uncheck age and name and click OK. So it says 6 duplicates values are found and removed. So we say OK. So in other words, no two people have got the same blood group. So this is a powerful operation, and we can use it in a greater manner to have greater forecasting abilities.